Right now, Elaine, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate for you how you can create a custom homepage feed we're just going to do a demonstration with three connections. So we're going to look at some of the recent posts that they've done on here, keeping in mind you can replicate this process and you can create custom lists in the future as well. So what I'd like you to do to start is let's go into the search bar, and I'm going to use just a few people that we share as common connections. So click in the search bar and then just click enter. So inside the search bar, just click on enter. Okay. Now, when the results come up, see where it says post, people, products, jobs, companies, groups, services, that menu bar that goes from left to right. Click on posts. So we're going to click on the second option, which is posts. Okay. So now we're going to start to build the list of people who are going to be appearing in the post. Now, where it says sort by date posted, content type from member, go under from member and type in my name where it says add a person's name. So type in Brenda Meller. And when you see me in the drop down, click on my name and then click on show results. Let's add in two more people. So let's go under where it says Brenda Meller now. It doesn't say from member anymore. It says post Brenda Meller. So click on the drop down and let's type in Pam Lippett. I know she's posting regularly, so I'm going to pull her name up in there. Click on Pam Lippett and then show results. I'm going to do one more person from my Marketing with Meller community. So click on the from member drop down and let's type in Christopher G. Johnson. Are you connected with him yet? Does that sound familiar?
I know who he is.
Okay.
Yes, we
Yep, you
are.
are. Okay, so click on his name. And I want you to keep in mind, Elaine, you can create this custom feed with people that are connections or with people you're not connected with. So they do
Oh,
not need to be
okay.
connections. That's an important distinction. Okay, so now we got posts from members. Click where it says sort by. So the drop down that says sort by in your top menu bar, click on sort by, and we're going to do latest.
Show results.
Click on show results. And then where it says date posted, click on date posted. And click
Past
on
24
past
hours.
month.
Okay, past month.
So now this is showing in here is a curated feed, and it's only going to contain the people that you put into that from member list. So we have myself, Pam Lippett, Christopher Johnson. It's going to show you posts from the past month, and it's going to sort them in order by recency. Of this group, Pam posted 1 hour ago. If you scroll down, you see my post from 14 hours ago. Keep scrolling down. You see Christopher Johnson's from 20 hours ago. You see where I'm seeing the 20 hours, the 1 day symbols that are in there as well.
Hmm.
So now thinking about this, Elaine, we can be more strategic instead of going through our homepage feed and randomly scrolling and trying to find the people that we want to interact with. We can create a curated list of people that we want to see their posts from. Now, what I do with this technique is I create custom lists in categories because our brains work much more efficiently when we're thinking categorically. So you might create one custom list that has innovation women members who are fellow women speakers. You might create another custom list that is people who are current clients of yours or maybe past clients of yours. You might create another custom list which is referral partners, people that
Hmm.
you're frequently interacting with. You might create another custom list that are other people who are therapists or who are working in similar fields as you, right? Now, through trial and error, I've been able to figure out I can put up to 29 people on a list. Once I add person number 30, I get a weird error message from LinkedIn and it kind of arrows out and I have to restart the process on here. So that could change over time. But once you have created the list, see that URL at the top, HTTPS LinkedIn search/results/content. So the URL for that, copy
Hmm.
that. So copy that entire URL. It's a really long string. So just copy it. And then let's navigate now back to the LinkedIn homepage feed. So click on the in symbol or the homepage. So we're leaving the search results. Okay. Now go into that URL field and paste that link that you've just copied. And then hit on enter. So now it's going to take us back to that custom feed that we did again. Now, at this point, Elaine, you can do one of two things to save this. You can bookmark this. So if you put it in your Chrome bookmarks in your are you familiar with bookmarks in Chrome, how that works?
I use Microsoft Edge.
Okay. Yeah. So whatever you're using, Edge. So if you click on the star in the URL field, it'll create a bookmark for it,
Oh, right. Yes.
right? And then from there, I would just rename the bookmark LinkedIn custom feed for marketing with Meller members. So that way you know when you're clicking on it what it is that the list was created, what the
Yep.
list description is. So that's one method. Another method, which is the one that I use, is I've created a Google Sheets and I listed out each of the different groups and then I put the URL next to it. Really personal preference how you do it, but you want to save it someplace so that you don't have to rebuild the list every time. Okay.
Okay.
So again, just to summarize, this is a way of creating a custom feed rather than just using our homepage. The homepage is just really designed to keep us on the site longer. We're meandering around. We're trying to find the right people we want to engage with, as opposed to this is creating a custom list of people in a homepage feed that is only showing us posts from these people within the past month, sorted by recency in there. All right, there we go.